Alright. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How you doing? I hope it is great and I hope my video will get good time. Now we will discuss about how to be a good writer. For me, I'm still not a good writer. Now let's learn about how to be a good writer. And I hope you can learn too, so that we can to be a good writer. Now we have 8 tips that will make us more efficient writer. Okay, tips number 1. When you have an idea, just write down. Write down immediately. Don't let the idea blown away. Don't let the idea float around in my mind, around in your mind, around in our mind. Yeah, just write down. Put a piece of paper and put a pen. Write down the idea. Anything. For heaven's sake, if I don't write down immediately the idea across in my mind, I'm afraid it's going to be lost. So we have to write down the idea. Anything. Just don't one idea, any idea. Just we write down first. We write down as many as we can. Write on a piece of paper. And tips number 2, make a connection between among one of them, among one sentence to another. Make a connection. How to make a connection? We put a conjunction word. Then after, beside, and after that, somehow, sometimes, and anything. Yeah, we make a connection. Make a connection. All of that. What if the sentence not connections? One of them, each of them is just spread away, sound. It's okay. Just make a connection as much as we can, as many as we can, as we can make it connections. For example, we write. I have bought books in the library. I have read a book in the library. I eat lunch. We can make a connection with after that. Just the example. And tip number 2 is, and number 3, don't edit while you write. Don't edit while we write. What if it's wrong, misspell, just never mind. Take it away. I don't never care about that. Just don't edit. Write down. Just write down the idea. If we customizing for that for 1 or 2 weeks or 3 weeks or maybe a month, we will have a knowledge about that, about the writer, about how to make a good writer, how to make a good paragraph, how to make a good story. Yeah. Okay. Now, tips number 4, don't get caught with pesky details. False details about the names, about the date, about the any detail. Yeah. Just don't write down on your paper with full of your idea a detail, name, date, name of the place. Just don't write that. The action, just only the action. Yeah. And tips number 5 is, and we phone a friend. We phone a friend. Maybe our friend get another opinion, another views. Hello, I have an idea like this. Maybe you have an advice. Just like that. For even maybe your friends have loved you. Don't care. Don't be afraid about that. For make fun of a friend is just a step forward. We make a step forward. We make a great deal improvement. And tips number 6 is, avoid the place we write down the idea of the internet connection. For example, Wi-Fi. Avoid for this. Yeah. Don't choose the place that there is a Wi-Fi that, or just don't turn on your cell phone. Okay, we have trained ourselves about that, because our mind will work hard about that. We continue work hard about how to make a conjunction, how to to dig an idea, how to make a sentence, a good sentence. Avoid the place of Wi-Fi. Okay. And tip number 6 is try to write down just like that at least 500 words a day. It is hard? No. But maybe yes. But we have to try. At least 500 words a day. If we've come to customize about that, we're gonna feel easy to that. 500 words a day. Just try. Okay? If we have trying that continuously, we try that customizing our mind to make like that, we will feel that we make it easier to make a writing. Okay, and after we have to be a good writer, but because of we customize about that, get rid of the writing mistakes. With what? Maybe with an application, maybe with a phone friend, or anything. Just get rid with all the writing mistake. Okay, I think that's enough. I hope this benefit for us, and thank you for your kind attention. Just support my channel. Okay, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.